Corner shower rod installation instruction. Installation tools: drill, hammer, hacksaw, tape measure, level, pencil, Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench. Lay the rod pieces on the floor. Assemble the rod with the connector. Measure the rod and space to verify that the rod sections are the proper length for your installation. If not, trim with a hacksaw. Slide 1-inch loop and curtain rings onto the rods. Insert the ends of rod into the wall flanges. Tighten the set screw with Allen wrench to secure. Hold the rod up at the desired mounting height. Use a level to make sure that your pencil marks are lined up properly on each wall. Drill pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten long screws with Phillips screwdriver. Hold the ceiling support in place and mark distance between the ceiling and rod. Cut the ceiling support to proper length with a hacksaw. Thread the ceiling flange to the ceiling support. Once the support is ready, insert the end to the loop. Level the rod. Tighten the set screw with Allen wrench. Hold the ceiling support in place and mark the placement of mounting holes. Drill pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten long screws with Phillips screwdriver. Use the level to make sure the ceiling support is plumb and tighten the remaining set screw on the 1-inch loop. Hang up the curtain. Installation complete. Installed perfectly, the corner rod gives the bathroom a cozy and organized look. Now, enjoy your shower in a space that feels private and polished.